All right, good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a full day of eating plus an upper day with my homie Ashton. I'm going to put all of his socials down below, as well as mine, TikTok, Instagram, all that. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to show you everything I have right here. It's not that much, so I'm cutting, but it's going to be pretty good. So we're going to eat 2 of these protein waffles. They're so good. Can't go wrong with them. We're going to do 3 eggs, 3 scrambled eggs with some cheese, butter on the pan, a little bit of milk in there, make them fluffy. And then I'm going to try out this Ghost today. I've actually never had this flavor. Chronically addicted to these things, bro. I hope this one's good. And then a little bit of ketchup on it, too. Not the Ghost, on the eggs. All right, we're going to try this Ghost right now, actually. I'm super interested in how it's going to taste. I've heard some mixed opinions about it, but we're going to see how it goes. I don't know. It's not sour. It's not sour pink lemonade. Fucking flat pink lemonade. It's not the best. We're gonna have to drink it anyways. Alright, guys. So this is the end result. The 2 protein waffles with sugar-free syrup. Not a fat ass, don't worry, guys. Eggs with the cheddar cheese and a little bit of ketchup on it. But yeah, that's my breakfast. So, I'm about to eat lunch. I'll show you what I'm about to eat right now. It's gonna be 3 ounces of this traditional pulled rotisserie seasoned chicken. It's pretty good. I bought it before. It's around 10 bucks. The macros are really nice on it. 22 grams of protein. Super low carb, which is crazy. And then I have this rice right here. It's about, let me see. It's this basmati rice. Ashton actually put me on this. It should be around 70 grams. But yeah, I'm probably going to season this with some damn salt and pepper. Maybe a little bit of hot sauce. Maybe if I'm feeling frisky, we could put in some Chick-fil-A. Zesty buffalo sauce, so it'll be pretty good. But yeah, I'm about to munch on this shit. I probably will honestly have a rice cake as well with some honey, just for the carbs and the sugars, you know. But yeah, so next up on the menu, these Yasso bars. I'm gonna have 1 of them. They're 150 calories, 4 grams of protein. I don't really care. I just want something sweet. They're really goated. This flavor is chocolate crunch, sea salt caramel. So goated. Alright, guys, I ended up having 1 packet of this oatmeal right here, but I didn't film it. And also I had like 246 milliliters of Gatorade, both of that for the carbs. But yeah, I should have filmed it, but forgot. Alright, guys, we're about to head to Ashton's right now. Gonna go get a sweet lift in. First, we're gonna head to the mall, go do some dumb shit. And then yeah, guys, gonna get a sick upper day. Great, it's gonna be a great pump. It's gonna be a good day, guys. Let's go do it. Alright, guys, made it to Ashton's. About to go fuck around up in the mall for a while.
I think we should go to the mall after, bro. After the mall after.
We can do whatever. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good upper day. Let's do it. Alright, guys. So we low-key pulled up to the wrong fucking Gold's Gym, but it doesn't really matter. We're about to go hit this.
I'm about to say fuck it, bro.
Yeah, we've never been here. We've never been to this one. We're used to a different. You are in the middle of 2 parking spots right now. So we're at the wrong Gold's Gym, essentially. I'm gonna turn it around.
I'm looking for a fucking good parking spot, bro.
You can't,
Get off my dick.
Alright, bro.
Get off. Hop off, bro.
Alright, we'll see you guys in there. Alright. So they let us in. I just did the free membership thing. We didn't end up using the passes, but we're straight. We're gotta go hit some bench right now.
Dude, the front called us small, too.
Dude, the front called us small. Low-key crazy. Let's do this one. Okay. Or actually, this one has the plates. But yeah, about to hit it.
Look at what you've done. Stand still, falling away from me. When it takes so long.
This is so hard.
Fires out. What do you want to be? Now I'm holding on. Myself was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong.
Let's go.
There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you. Oh, I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. Oh,
One more. Let's go. One more. Up. Come on. I zip one more. I zip one more. I zip one more. I zip one more. Come on. Nice. Nice. Good for real, bro.
So you give me no reason for me to stay close to you. Tell me what love is still. How are we still breathing? It's never for us to choose or be the strength in you.
Hell, bro. God dang. Going for it. Holy shit. Look at this guy. He's a fucking science-based lifter pulling out the straps, bro.
Fucking scratch throw.
He's doing it, bro. Holy shit. Guy, bro.
Yo, my fault, bro. I actually want to hit the weight.
Okay, yeah, bro. Bro's talking shit. He's talking shit.
We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside.
Come on, let's go, go. Come on, I did one more, I did one more, I did one more. Dude.
I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. Same one we just did.
I'll show you what it feels like.
Yep.
Show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside.
Come on, come on. Come on. Good job. Let's go. Come on, one more, one more, one more. Let's go. Come on. Push, push. Finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it. Good. Come on, get mad, get angry with it. Come on, 14 more. Let's go. Get that. You're not struggling. You're not struggling. You're fake struggling. Let's go. Nice. Look at dumbass. Those quads look good. Come on. One more, one more. You got one more. You got one more. You got one more, I promise. Come on. Let's go. Come on, one more. Up. Up. You have one more. You have one more. I promise you do. I promise you do. You have one more. Come on. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Nice.
All right, so the posing room is low-key cooked because there's hella people in there cycling.
So we're
Cardio
going to
nerds.
another Gold's Gym.
We're literally driving 15 minutes away just for you guys. so we can get
to do posing.
to do posing, and we might lose our pump, we might not, we don't know, but we're gonna hit it.
Yep.
Gonna be fire. We literally drove to another Gold's just to get posing, and guess fucking what? The room was occupied, and now we're dipping out. Not much posing today, but it's all right. But yeah, guys, that's it. What's up, guys? So we are back from the lift, and right now we got the same thing we ate for lunch. Keep stuttering, my fault. 3 ounces of chicken and 140 grams of white rice. But yeah, super hungry right now. I'm gonna chow down. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. So guys, one last thing before I end the video. I forgot to add a couple things I ate today. I had one of these Premier protein shakes. I think I forgot to add one of those. And then I had a pint of Halo Top ice cream, bro. It's so good though. It's only like 300 calories, so it's all right. And then I had 2 servings of this protein cereal with a cup of milk, or like a little bit more than a cup of milk. But yeah, so I ended up around 2,149 calories for the day. That's a little bit under where I need to be, but I should be a little bit below that, but it's okay. I was in a huge deficit yesterday. I was in like a 600 calorie deficit yesterday, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, guys, I thank you guys for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one.